Okay, so if you went shopping with me in the last video, we picked up this piece from the thrift store for about $20. I don't know, there was just something about the way the door slid open that felt really satisfying. Day 1. Alright, what's the damage? Okay, I guess we'll start with removing the leftover tape marks. Rubbing alcohol is your friend. Okay, hold on. We need to move into the shade. Much better. Honestly, this guy is the real MVP of aggressive sanding. Anyways, you get the gist. We're just prepping it for paint. Let's go ahead and skip to day 2. After the paint roller catastrophe of the last flip, I did a bunch of research on this primer. I'll skip the drama and just tell you I'm spraying it on, okay? And we ran out of primer. It'll be fine, right? Day 3. We're moving on from chalk paint. I heard that this paint is what professionals use for kitchen cabinets. Into the paint gun you go. Oh my god, what is this paint job? Is it just me or does that look splotchy to you? Maybe it needs another coat to even out. Let's try this again. Day 4. Okay, I read the label. It's got an enamel element to it. Maybe it'll even out as it hardens? Well, anyways, I got the handles for this piece already. I really want to see what it looks like with it on. Well, I take it back, I take it back. Control Z, Control Z. Oh, okay, I'll fix that later. The handles look really good here though. I'm committing to it. Here goes nothing. Dang it. I promise I'll fix that too.
2,000 years later.
Okay, I think I figured it out. For best results, you have to roll this paint on. It's really coming together now. Remember what it looked like before? I'm gonna stage it in the next video. Gosh, I really hope no one tries stripping this paint off in the future. It's got like 5 layers of it.